one of these is mine. There it is. You might notice I sound different using a headset. I've been using it for real estate and not Skype, Discord calls lately. It's the MH650 Cooler Master. Okay. I'm hearing the smoke alarm again. I might have. There was one around here that was going off for quite a while. Or not quite a while, but it would just go off repeatedly, but only like for 2 or 3 rounds, like burp, 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 burp. Then it would stop. It would stop before I could even, I guess I could use scissors. And yeah, it would stop before I could even get recording. Yeah, scissors made it a lot easier. The newspaper out of here. I can just, like that. Ooh, package is discolored and damaged. But I knew it was discolored when I saw it. I should not direct the label. There we go. Yeah, you can see how yellow the plastic is. There's the manual. Two birds of it. Battery. Which actually is in pretty good shape. Yep. Except for that side. Alright. You can see that only that part's vented. Unlike mine. My other one that's completely open. I think I have my other one in there somewhere, but maybe I'll edit it in. There we go. Got the plastic sensor. And this flag that comes out prevents the cover from closing. And there's your LED. Which very few had. Very few of the rectangular SMK styled ones do, or did. The only one I know of here in the States that did was made by, I was gonna say Guardsight, but that's not right. It was branded Security Force. Available at Menards. Okay, let's see if it'll beep. Might beep. Yeah, it did. Sounds like I can do a 4.6 or 5.6. There. Got the battery in. I guess I could have shown you the silencer. Oh well. Oh, it's right there, but I meant the contacts for it. Alright, test. Yep, does 4.6. Yeah, how do you? Okay, eBay, I know it was delivered. Oop, there we go. Silenced. Because it beeps. Alright, let's look at the manual. Well, I guess we could look at the back of this too. Not much to look at. Yeah, I like those pictures. Kind of reminds me of the ones on Sears boxes. Back of the Sears 90s alarms boxes. A couple other things there. And here's the other part of the back. Here, I can test it. Get it out of silence mode. Like 89.27. Maybe February 7th or the 27th week, maybe. Alright. Now we can look at the manual. Found out kind of like a map. Alright. Once again, if you want to read, just pause. You've seen that a lot in the GE and Black & Decker manuals. I'm sure the EI alarms have that too. Same here with those that acts like that. And that square with a circle in it. Stupid phone, focus. Put the book in there. Seen these a couple times. I don't think I've seen one in person. In a house, that is. I've seen them, in the stores, but I haven't seen them in a house. Seen them a couple times in listings. In fact, Jack Williamson saw one, what was it, Monday night? Sunday night? Something like that. I've seen it twice on YouTube. One was this kid's grandma's basement stairway. It was a darkened stairway and you could see the LED flash. And the other one, it was JDL Productions in his dad's channel. His old collection, he had one. And that's another one that GE had. With illustrations. Actually, they aren't located there anymore. I just looked that up the other day. It's, what was it? Some, like, logistics company or something. Okay. Pull this back up. Yeah, you see there's two versions. See, that one's got the ultralife battery in it. Well, we can look at this again. Look at the back. Again, that same type of label that's used in EI alarms and GEs and Black & Deckers. Same base. In fact, of course, they're still making that base nowadays. They're EI 100 alarms. See, there's the silencer contact. Now it's in silence mode again. And test button contact. So now it's back out of silencer mode. Let's see what there is here. See, there's the quote finger that would press the contact. Where's the label for it? Here there's a label that, it says the model number and everything. Unless that's just molded in now. If you remember, like on the H201s and the other Black & Deckers, they were on the side there. Let's see. Yeah, that might be it. Nope, that's just return. Return for repair. Oh, there's your label. Even though we're upside down. Technically label. Let's watch for the LED to flash. Feels the ice maker. There it is. All right. Give you one final test. And then we can see what it looks like, on a wall. Yep, looks pretty cool. On the ceiling, of course, it would look cool too. Now, another thing that we need to do, spray test it. Maybe if I open it up. There, it went a little bit. Well, there you go, it works. Maybe if I just aim it and not sweep. I guess you probably just don't get a good angle from here. But as you heard, it does work. It does pass the smoke test. Or simulated smoke. Yeah, you saw how yellow this box is. With the plastic. There's your mounting hardware. Not sure if I'll keep the plastic or not. Yeah, maybe. Oh, there's a tag. $13.99, but there's no sign of who made it. I mean, who made it? Where it was sold at. Well, there you go, folks. Black & Decker SMK25. Yeah, 25. Thanks for watching.